Hi friends! Today let's talk about some super useful camera settings on the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. First, open settings, then scroll down and tap on camera. After that, go to formats. Didn't know that if you don't change a certain settings, your photos are taken at 12 megapixels by default. But wait, we can boost that to 24 megapixels for even sharper shots. Here's how. 1. Once in formats, under photo capture, you will see an option photo mode. 2. Simply switch it from 12 megapixel to 24 megapixel, and boom, high quality photos unlocked. Now, if you have this phone, I definitely recommend using 24 megapixel for better details. Just keep in mind that while a 12 megapixel photo is around 3 megabyte and 24 megapixel one takes up about 4.8 megabyte. Not huge difference, but worth nothing. Next, let's check out the Pro settings section below. Here, make sure JPEG Max is selected, which allows you to shoot up 48 megapixel. If you are into ProRAW photography, you can also tweak those settings here, but for most users, JPEG Max is the way to go. Oh, one more thing. On the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max, the telephoto zoom has been upgraded from 3x to 5x. So, when taking photo, you will see these options at the bottom. Just tap and hold, smoothly adjust your zoom level. That's it for today's camera tips. Hope this helps you get the most out of your iPhone 16 Pro's camera. Catch you in the next one.